Welcome to EngageDeis training. This video will teach you how to navigate and customize a group profile on EngageDeis and is brought to you by the Department of Community Service. For more information on EngageDeis or the Department of Community Service, go to www.brandeis.edu/communityservice. Once you're logged in, as an administrator, you already have your group listed under the Manage button. If you click here and scroll down, on the drop-down menu, any group that you're an admin of should already pop up. You can select that group and get to your group's dashboard that way, or if you're on your group's main page, there should be a blue Manage button on the left-hand corner, and you can select Dashboard from this drop-down menu. This is your group's user dashboard. You can see alerts at the very top. You can see quick statistics about your users and impacts. You can scroll down and see recent activity, as well as all of the upcoming events that you have. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can get a calendar view of all the events once you've created and populated your group page with events. Now that you've seen your user dashboard, let's talk about how to customize your group's page on EngageDeis. Go to the tool panel on the left-hand side of your screen. You can select Edit Group. This allows you to customize your profile. You'll start on the basic info section, and this will allow you to select your group name, your group type, and also select an administrator. Your primary administrator should be your group and using your group's email address. We'll cover more on that in the topic training video number 5, Adding and Managing Users. Once you've completed the basic info tab, by adding a description or your mission statement for your group, your address, and etc. At the very bottom on the right hand of your screen, there will be a Save and Continue button and a blue Publish button. Do not hit Publish. Be sure to select Save and Continue. My page right now says Update because I've already been customizing my profile page. After you've hit Save and Continue, you can select the different tabs at the top of the screen and continue to customize your profile. If you go to the Logos tab, you can choose a logo for your group and a cover image. Remember, the more detailed you are, the more information your volunteers will have to make decisions about joining, affiliating, and volunteering. You can also select causes that your group works with under the Causes tab by just selecting any of the work that you do that falls under these categories. It will ask who it serves, who it benefits. You can also select SDGs at the top. These are your sustainable development goals. You can even add your group's social media through the Social tab, adding a website, a YouTube URL, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. Once you've completed all of the relevant information, and you've saved and continued under each tab, be sure to hit the blue Publish button once you're ready to publish your page. That button will be in the right-hand corner. Again, I've already created my page here, so it just says Update. Let's see how your profile looks once you've made changes. This is your profile page. You can see the cover photo that we selected, the logo that we uploaded, and the brief description under the basic info tab that we filled out. You can also see the primary administrator on the right-hand side. Once you've created events, you can scroll down and all of your events will populate at the bottom of the page. You can also get to events and other information at this tab at the very top. For example, your About section can be more detailed in the description box when you're editing your group. You can add the location as well as all of your social tabs right here at the bottom. You can also join and affiliate with groups in the community and on campus. To join a group, select the Join button. To affiliate with the group, select the Affiliate button. The difference is that joining a group will allow you to become a member of that group. Affiliating will allow you and that group that you've affiliated with to share events. For example, if you select Affiliate, you can select in the display options to list their events on my page and my events on their page. Or if you select the drop-down menu, you can choose just to list your own events or just to list theirs, or you can also select not to list each other's events at all. Once you've decided on your display options, you'll just hit the send request button and it will send that affiliation request to that group. And this is how you customize your groups page on EngageDeis. Thank you for watching this video on how to customize your group profile on EngageDeis. For more information and training on how to use EngageDeis, go to brandeis.edu/communityservice/EngageDeis.